Example 4. We're going to solve the system of inequalities by graphing where x is greater than or equal to 1 and y is less than x minus 4. We have two line types, two equation types in this particular system. Let's look and see what they are. Our first inequality is an x equals a number type of equation where we remember that we have, as a result of this, a vertical line. So it'll be nice and straight, running through the x-axis. Our second inequality is of the format of the slope-intercept type, where we know that we have to find our y-intercept and our slope to help make this line happen. All right, so let's start with the first one. X is greater than or equal to 1. This is a vertical line. And due to the inequality symbol that we have, we know that the greater than or equal to means we're going to have a solid line. And because it is greater than, we are going to shade above. Which means for us, it's going to be to the positive side of the coordinate plane. So let's place that on here now. Our x-axis is right here through the horizontal center of the coordinate plane. Let's go find 1 on it. And now we can place just a couple of additional points to help us with our straight edge. So we can draw our line nice and clean. Solid line. There you go. And we know that this is going to be a shade above, so to speak. So we are shading to the positive side of our coordinate plane from the line that they gave us, the inequality that they gave us. All right, let's look at our second one. With our y less than x minus 4, we know that there's going to be a y-intercept of negative 4 and a slope of 1 because there's nothing visible in front of the x. We need to have a fraction for our slope for the rise and the run. Since this is a positive slope, our line will be traveling up and to the right. Our inequality symbol tells us that because this is a less than and not or equal to, just less than, that we are going to have a dotted line. And because it is less than, we are going to shade below. So let's draw our line. Our y-intercept is that of negative 4, and our slope is of positive 1. So we can go through and just place those points, up 1 to the right 1, up 1 to the right 1, all the way through our coordinate plane until you run out of graph. And now, using your straight edge, remembering that we have a dotted line, it's very easy, friendly, simple to go ahead and connect those points every other just to make a nice, pretty dotted line. Okay, so we have to shade below this dotted line. And if you put your pencil, your marker, your pen on the line, then you can see that this region down here will be the below region. And the final solution set is where the pink and blue overlap. This will be our only solution area, region, for this particular problem. And there you go.